الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما للظالمين من أنصار صدق الله العظيم. Respected President, Honorable Judge and audience, first of all, I greet you all with the greeting of Islam, saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, today I want to speak here before you on the topic of injustice. So please listen to me and abide by the orders of Allah. You know very well that Allah is all powerful. Allah is great. So all His belongings, all His orders and all His attributes should be great. As a matter of fact, Allah orders all human to do justice to one and all. So this orders should be greatest. On the contrary, Allah explained in the Holy Quran, Inna Allah ya'muru bil adli wal ihsan wa ita'i dhil qurba wa yanha 'anil fahsha'i wal munkari wal baghi ya'izukum la'allakum tadhakkarun. Allah, the omnipotent Lord, orders justice, charity, giving pure dues to near and dear ones, and He prohibits adultery and atrocity. Brothers, alas, today our society is full of sins, full of corruptions, full of rapes, full of injustice. No one is ready to erupt crimes. No one is ready to uproot them. No one is ready to end. No one is ready to nip them in the bud. Brothers, our Prophet ﷺ has said, "Az-zulmu zulumatun yawm al-qiyamah." Injustice will be darkness upon darkness on the day of judgment. The Urdu poet Sadat Yar Khan said, "Zulm ki tehni kabhi falti nahi, zulm ki tehni kabhi falti nahi, nao kagaz ki kabhi chalti nahi." All sins are injustice. Theft is injustice. Bribery is injustice. Atrocity is injustice. The king Najashi said, Al-hukumatu tabqa bil-kufr, wala tabqa bil-zulm. The power remains with disbelieving, but doesn't remain with injustice. May Allah make us just and fair in all walks of our life. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.